Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all?
Leave powder low.
Help this man raise his hand and then go to the face where it's not there to face.
Fuck you.
Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today is the day that I'm looking forward to. You guys know that I am in the middle of doing my turbo FoxBody setup. So you guys know I ordered the whole trick flow top end kit, which consists of the head, the cam, and the intake manifold, along with the roller rockers, valve springs, all that. Everything comes from trick flow. And you guys know I'm doing a 70mm turbo kit from On3 Performance. And I actually found somebody locally that works on FoxBodies that has my exact same setup. Literally exact same setup. Damn, it's hella windy. Oh, I was talking to him, getting some tips on, you know, what fuel pump are you running, what size injectors. This car makes a little over 500 horsepower. I think it's a stock block car still. So we're about to be heading to his shop and we're about to be checking that thing out. And it's cool because it gives me an idea on the potential that my setup has. So that's really why I'm going out here to check out this thing, because I want to see it firsthand in person. I want to look at everything. I want to see how the fitment is on this kit and just talk to somebody that's already done it. So we're about to be heading to his shop in a second, and then we're going to be hopefully maybe taking a ride here in this thing and just getting the overall feel on the potential and the possibility of what my FoxBody could possibly be. So I'm probably going to be taking, I think I want to take the C5 today. I don't know why the cutouts are always open when you first start the car up and then they close. I don't know if it has something to do with the Bluetooth connection opening the cutouts and stuff, but every startup they open up on their own and they close right back. What's up, fool? Alright, so just pulled up the granny house, picking up this fool Aaron. Aaron's about to slide with me over to San Mateo to check out this dude that does all the 50 stuff. I think Aaron wants to talk to him because the dude knows someone that tools Terminator X out here locally. So I think Aaron kind of want to go hang, see, and just get a vibe to see if he may possibly have a tuner. Me and Aaron just pulling up. As soon as we get here, we got the Fox. Clean little Fox. Look, ooh, clean interior. I don't know who car it is, but I'm opening doors. It's clean. Clean. Yeah. Shit, so you work on a lot of Foxes. Yeah. Fox here, Fox, this your, what's that one? Okay. This one look like it got all kind of shit on there.
I left it in the air so you could peek the bottom of it. That's the good shit.
And it's all clean. What rear end is this?
That's a 8.8 with the True Track. Yeah, this was right here, the Maximum Motorsport adjustable rear sway bar. Welds into the frame instead of it going in the arms. So when you hit a turn, you're not binding, you know, the arms and suspension.
Yeah. So you do subframe connectors and everything?
Yeah.
You weld all that in?
I did the Maximum, and then I welded my own jacking rail, I guess you would call it, and reinforced it.
Oh yeah, I see it with the cross beams right there.
Yeah.
This is hella clean.
Yeah, we gutted it and we sprayed it with an undercoat, the whole bottom.
It looks hella fresh. I'm about to make Aaron lick it.
Yeah, before the body shop got it, man, you could eat off of this fucking thing and fucking It was not one bit dusty, and then I got it back, and it's just fucking dusty as hell. Like I got my fuel lines coming right here. I'll lower it and take it down for you and start it.
6 return, 8 feed.
And all that stuff was nice and brand new, but the body shop, man, they just.
Yeah, I had a car set at the body shop. Also, this is a turbo one too, huh?
Yeah, that's the on 3 kit with the thicker flanges. I'll get you a light so you can see that.
So the rumor people be saying you had to get rid of your sway bars, so that's a lie.
It's close. Take a look here. We'll get a light. There's one on the table right there. It's close. Look.
Oh yeah.
Real close.
Hey, if it work, it work.
Yeah. And here's the ones with the thicker flanges. You can see it's a little thicker. You need to run studs or bolts. Got like a 3/4 inch flange or 1/2 inch flange. It's a stock one. I got another kit. I'll show you the stock ones over there.
It's clean.
Yeah, I had them redo my cold side precision wastegate.
How much does this make? 5 what?
525 to the wheel, but we didn't take it past 6 because that pump that I was showing you, I didn't have that Hellcat pump in. So he cut it off at 6 because it dropped like 3 psi at 6. He's like, see your pump starting to go.
Yeah.
He's like, upgrade it. And so I saw Holly made that 525 Hellcat.
The Hellcat pump.
I got to take it back down and redo. I'm going to redo it with these Deutsch connectors because it kind of just had like just like butt connected, and I'm like, nah, I don't want to fucking.
Yeah. Plus, butt connectors, they create resistance, and
that shit,
you don't get your full voltage to the pump and shit.
Yeah.
Hella clean for it to be in the shop.
Yeah, I really would like to take it home.
You probably just cleaned it off. You probably cleaned that thing and covered it.
Dude, it's been covered for like over a week.
2 weeks. Yeah, I haven't driven it. I want to.
Man, I don't see no scratches, nothing. It's hella clean. Interior shit hella clean too. Bro, I was thinking about getting these seats because they make those they make the low brackets and shit for them.
Yeah.
They're out of stock though.
That one is the wide body, and this one's regular for my wife. She just, she don't need that shit.
It's clean.
Yeah. Heat of the battery, and it's just so it doesn't pick up noise or interference.
Yeah. I had an issue like that before. You start getting interference and you start losing cam and crank signal.
Yeah.
Should be sputtering.
Regulators in the back over there.
It's clean.
2
Looks good.
Feeds in the front with a Y, and then return out the back. Both lines return. Coil, I just kind of made a bracket.
Put it right there so it ain't running all the way over there.
Yeah. Wiring's easy, clean. And I put
you still running the stock.
I put that back on, man. I tell you, I went from 210 to 160 degrees.
Yeah, see, didn't I tell you? I was like, I'm keeping I kept my stock fan.
Yeah. I sold my $800 setup. I said, fuck it.
Nah, yeah, I was like, I've dealt with this electric fan shit enough to know that they don't work, or they don't work as good as the clutch fan, bro.
Nah, feel that one. It's tight. I ordered it for like a 7.5 diesel truck. The clutch fan is tight, so it's blowing fucking air.
Hella CFMs.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nah, this is hella clean. Stupid clean. What size Precision is this?
Street car. 6775 hybrid. Yeah, I got the box over there. It's a hybrid turbo. Everything stuck.
Bruh, look. This man still got AC in this thing.
He was at Sac Raceway making passes with the AC on.
Damn.
Motherfuckers were
Wasn't I saying I was trying to keep my AC?
Motherfuckers.
I just ordered the freaking Ford Racing Delete kit, but shit, I might send it back.
Yeah, they make this harness right here.
Cause they sell the whole AC kit brand new.
This company right here, Current Performance Wiring, it's all LS. This is for LS, but they make this kit so you could use AC in an LS. But I'm gonna make it work with this one. Because it's only a 2-wire system, and it's a 2-wire system and 2 wires on the pressure switch. So, I mean, this is 2 wires also. So we just tap in.
Yeah. So he also said this is a 90 CHP too, exact same year as mine. I feel like we're twins. CHP gang. This thing is clean. Look at that beautiful black paint. You can hella hear the turbo whistling through. No lie, this thing is clean. So look, check it out, cut out. Back to being street car. Sounds good.
No motor yet.
Nah, you can still hear the turbo whistling through. Let's go. So right here, this portion of the video, I have no clue on what happened. As you can see, I'm talking, there's no sound. We're driving, there's no sound. I literally lost the sound for the complete ride along. When we're riding the car, I had probably like 10 minutes worth of footage of pulls and stuff that I literally can't even use now because for some reason the mic didn't pick up anything, and just sucks. Wasted footage, and there was a lot of good information in here, some cool ass sounds, and just some dope ass footage that pretty much can't use. But I mean, fuck it, it is what it is. You guys still get to see the car, so I'll probably go back another day and figure out a time to do another ride along with him. That way I can get the footage of this car for you guys to see, because it was a dope sounding car, and overall, you know, it was a pretty sick build. So I do want to get you guys some driving footage of this thing, that way you guys can see it also. Definitely motivation to get on mine, man. Hella fun. Gotta get your car here, man. Get your shit tuned, bruh. So we about to check out this one right here.
This one got that 40-ounce drip in there.
So he said you built this one, right?
Yeah, this one got a Holley EFI trick flow top end kit. And you know, basic love that we give it, we take it out, paint the motor, all the brackets, sandblast them, just clean up the wiring, you know, make it look good.
This looks sick.
Yeah.
Looks good. How much this one make?
We haven't dynoed it.
Haven't tuned it yet?
Just street tuned it. I street tuned it. We're on what, 6 pounds?
Yeah.
6 pounds.
Butt cheek tune.
Yeah.
Butt cheek tune.
Yeah, like if it feels good on the butt cheek, yeah, we're good. But AFRs and all that's, you know, 1 or 2%. Yeah, it's check.
How's it been with like belt slipping and all that?
We had a couple issues in the beginning, but after we got it sorted, it was the kit, right, Edgar?
That was on the fucked up bracket I got.
Yeah, this thing was threaded, and the thread, whoever had it, the kit, they stripped it, so this bolt was in crooked. So this thing was crooked, so
yeah,
it kept
the pulley wasn't aligned. Yeah.
I didn't figure it out until I got another Supercharger kit, and I compared the two pieces. Like, oh look, there's a thread. Yeah. So I just took the insert out and drilled it, and I just stuck a bolt in that, and fucking no more problems.
Yeah, after that, just dogging it day in, day out, and it's been straight.
Dogging it. These dudes they scare me sometimes with what they do to it.
That's what you wanted, huh? More so supercharged over turbo?
Yeah. It's a lot less maintenance, I would say.
Yeah, he's always been more of the supercharged stuff, but I've been kind of like showing him like the turbo stuff. So he kind of like, he likes the idea of brake boosting and stuff, but I feel like this will be hella simple. Plus we got like super deal through Vortec. Vortec offers me and my boy 50% off. So
that's what's up.
yeah, I can get like the full smog legal kit for like $2,700.
Yeah, that's good.
That's fucking chug. Little bullshit.
Oh, bro, that Wi-Fi.
Yeah, bro.
Gotta get off that McDonald's Wi-Fi.
On that T-Mobile shit, bro. Fucking up.
Stock block too, or is this build block?
Yeah, stock block with the main girdle on the bottom, trip flow, and then our just...
These are the twisted heads?
Yeah. Our clean and shine.
Turbonetics.
That one's a 347, right?
This one's hella clean.
Yeah, yep.
Tray flow fuel rails and everything.
Yep, that one's a return. 8 a.m. feed, 6 a.m. out the bag. That one's a 347.
What turbo kit is this? On 3 or no?
This one is a custom. It's a company called Pony Down.
Oh yeah, I've heard of Pony Down.
Pony Down, yeah.
They're like OGs.
Yeah. So this guy, his mom lives in Arizona, so he just shipped it to mom's house in Arizona. And then he went and picked it up from mom's house.
Because he couldn't get it in California.
Yeah, they're bad. They're bad. And the
So
reason I
explain.
like this one better is because you could run the whole stock bracketry. You can run AC with this one and not modify shit. The mine you had to,
Tweak it. Yours still looks clean though.
yeah. And this one's a 306. It's a 302 rebuilt, 30 over with heads, cam, intake, and this.
What cam's in here?
It's comp cams, 274. The thing is going on Holly too. All these guys are gonna be Holly now. If you see me playing with it, and they're like,
So I got the driving the turbo car.
This was cool too.
Aaron gonna go for a ride in the supercharged car. So y'all want to see that video? Y'all gotta go check out that full Aaron channel to see the inside view of this. You said about 400, 450?
Yeah, I think so. Like right around 400, a little over.
Look at this ugly fool.
You know what I'm saying?
This one got the chomp. So Aaron just now getting back. Look, he's smiling. Y'all probably can't see that boy here in there cheesing. Y'all was gone for hella long.
What were y'all doing?
That was a date.
yeah.
Aaron must have really enjoyed the ride. What you think, Aaron?
I'm in the air now.
You said you in the air?
Yeah, shoot. I'm gonna have to go ahead and put the supercharger on mine.
He's like, this is some bullshit.
That shit made up your mind for you right there, huh?
That's cool.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Cool, nice. Shit, that shit was fun.
Yeah, that's how my customer was with that turbo. He came in, he's like, man, give me a ride in your shit, and I was like, all right, let's go. He's like, I'm ordering the turbo kit.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you